Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper of Friday, September the 15th, 2023, already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 7103. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so rest out ones. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Then. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not that I have one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 3. Come on, between the ones comes no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Oh, okay. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, another quick binary puzzle to solve. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.